In the previous videos, you have learnt about operation of the sets. Today, we are going to learn number of elements in a set. So, I have taken an example. Set A is equal to 11 to numbers from 11 to 18. Set B is containing the elements from number 14 to 25. Now, we are going to learn number of elements in a set. So number of elements, it is denoted in this way, that is numbers with small letter n, number of elements of set A. We read it as number of elements of set A. So here, now we will count the number of elements of set A and write the number of elements of set A. So 11 to 18. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it contains 8 elements. Set B, number of elements of set B is equal to as 14 to 25, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It is equal to as 12. Now, we will find A union B. A union B is equal to as, it contains all the elements of set A and set B. So it contains from 11, 12 and so on up to 25. Now set A intersection set B, that is the common elements between set A and B. So common, here 14 is there, here also 14. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is A intersection B. Now let us count number of elements of A union B. So it is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That is equal to as 50. In the same manner, number of elements of A intersection B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have got the number of elements of set A, number of elements of set B, number of elements of set A union B and number of elements of set A intersection B. Now we have, based on the number of elements of a set, we have a formula as A union B, that is number of elements of A union B is equal to number of elements of set A plus number of elements of set B minus number of elements of set A intersection B. So this formula we will do the verification of it. So now number of elements of A union B, we already have number of elements of A union B is equal to what? 50. Number of elements of A as 8 plus number of elements of B as 12 minus number of elements of A intersection B as 5. Now solve this right hand side. Left hand side must be equal to right hand side, then we can say that this formula is verified. So 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 minus this 5. 20 minus 5 is 50. So we have got here also 15 is equal to 15. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore we can say this formula, that is number of elements of A union B is equal to number of elements of set A plus number of elements of set B minus number of elements of A intersection B. This is verified. So we can make use of this formula and we can solve some problems based on the sets. Now let us learn two questions from practice set 1.4. First question. If number of elements of set A equal to 15 given, number of elements of A union B is equal to 29, number of elements of A intersection B is equal to 7, then we have to find out number of elements of set B. So using the same formula, that is number of elements of A union B is equal to as number of elements of set A plus number of elements of set B minus number of elements of A intersection B. So substitute the values whatever given. A union B is equal to 29 given. This is equal to number of elements of A is 15 plus number of elements of B we don't know. We have to find out this minus number of elements of A intersection B is given as 7. So solve this as equation. So it is 29 equal to 15 minus 7 will give you as 8 plus this will remain as it is number of elements of set B. Now bring this 8 this side. So it is equal to as 29 minus 8 is equal to number of elements of set B. Now therefore number of elements of set B is equal to as, subtract this, you will get it as 21. Therefore number of elements of set B is equal to as 21. Now let us draw the Venn diagram for this problem. This is set A. This is set B. Set A, set B. Now, this part is A intersection B. A intersection B. We have got A intersection B as number of elements as 7. Now, number of elements of set A is 15. Means together. Together it is 15. So, 15 minus 7 will be equal to this part. That is 15 minus 7 equal to as 8. This part contains number of elements as 8. This is A intersection B is number of elements of A intersection B is 7. Now let us find out what are the elements here. So this is equal to this total of this element plus this element plus this element must be equal to 29. That is A intersection, that is A union B. It is A union B. So 8 plus 7 equal. Now we will find out the number of elements here in this form. That is 8 plus 7 plus, we don't know what it is, equal to as 29. We don't know what is the element here. So let us take it as x. So 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus x is equal to as 29. So x is equal to as 29 minus 15. So that will give you as 14. So the number of elements here is 14. So 8 plus 7 plus 14 equal to 29. That is 8 plus 7 plus 14 is equal to as 29. This must be this is the verification. So 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 14 is 29. So in this way we can show this type of problems in the Venn diagram in this way. So any number of elements, suppose say number of elements of B is given, we can find a number of elements of A, or everything is given, intersection is not given, then also we can find out. So any one of the term is missing, we can find out by using this formula. Now let us solve another example. These type of word problems can be solved using this according to the number of elements in a set using the formula. So in a hostel there are 125 students, out of which 80 students drink tea, 60 drink coffee and 20 drink tea and coffee both. Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. Total students is given as 125. Those who drink tea, out of which 80 drink tea. Those who drink tea, 80 drink tea. And those who drink coffee, 60. 20 students drink both tea plus coffee. 20 students drink tea or coffee. Tea and coffee. So this becomes intersection. Suppose this is number of elements of tea. This is the number of elements of student drinking coffee. And this is T intersection C. So we have got three terms here. We can find out the fourth one, that is T union C. We will, from the formula we will get this. So then we can find out the number of students who do not drink either tea or coffee. So let us start with the solution. We have to give the names for number of students. Let the number of students drinking tea be as, let us take it as T. And let the number of students drinking coffee be as C. So we have got, therefore we have now number of elements of T is equal to as 80. Number of elements of C, that is equal to as 60. And then we have number of elements of T intersection C is equal to as 20. That is 20 drink tea and coffee both. That becomes the intersection. So now apply the formula. According to the formula, T union C, number of elements of T union C is equal to as number of elements of T plus number of elements of C minus number of elements of T intersection C. Now, we don't know what is T union C. So, we know but number of elements of T, that is 80, plus number of elements of C is 60, minus intersection is 20. So, solve this. 80 plus 60 is 140, minus 20, that is equal to as 120. Therefore, we have number of elements of T union C is equal to as 120 we have got. Now, the total students in the hostel are 125 students. We have got union 120. So, that means here in the total students, 5 students are extra. These are the 5 students, those who do not drink either tea or coffee. Therefore, number of students, this is the 120 is the number of students, those who drink either tea or coffee. So, total students who drink either tea or coffee is equal to as 120. And total students who do not drink, number of students who do not drink, number of students who do not drink tea or coffee that is equal to as this 125 total students minus 120 is equal to 5. So we have got the solution, that is number of students who do not drink either tea or coffee. This can be shown by the Venn diagram. this is the students those who drink tea. This is students those who drink coffee. Intersection is 20 given. Now number of students those who drink tea is 80. 80 minus this 20 we have to do. 80 minus 20 is equal to here 60 we get. Then number of students also drink coffee is 60 given. So 60 minus 20 is equal to as 40. Now this 60 plus 20 intersection plus this 40 is equal to how much? 40, 50, 60. 60 plus 60 is 120. This 120 is the union. Now 5 is left. This is the universal set. That 5, 125 minus 120 is equal to 5 left. This will come out of the circle. So altogether this is showing the universal set. 125 is showing the number of elements in the universal set. So this circle is showing the number of elements of students also drink tea, that is 60 plus 20, 80. This second circle is showing the number of students also drink coffee, that is 20 plus 40, 60. This is 20 is showing intersection, that is T intersection C. Those who drink tea and coffee both. If we find the total of this in this way, this is union. This is T union C is equal to this, and this is the number of elements, that is number of students those who do not drink either tea or coffee.